The little-known features of the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2. While the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2 are known for their impressive fitness tracking and notification capabilities, they also boast a treasure trove of hidden features waiting to be explored. This guide delves beyond the surface, revealing 15 functionalities that will transform your smartwatch into an even more powerful and versatile companion. Action button power. Here are 5 more little-known features of the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2, building on your previous list. Water depth gauge. Divers will appreciate the Ultra's ability to display current water depth during dives. This can be a valuable safety tool and aid underwater navigation. Emergency SOS with fall detection. Feel safer on your adventures. Apple Watch Ultra models can automatically detect falls and initiate emergency SOS, sending help even if you're unable to reach your phone. Breathe app guidance. Take a moment to de-stress. The Breathe app offers haptic feedback to guide your breathing exercises, helping you relax and refocus throughout the day. Quick reply with voice. Don't have time to type? Respond to messages with your voice using voice dictation on the Ultra. This is a convenient option for staying connected on the go. Watch face customization. Make your Ultra truly yours. Many watch faces offer a surprising amount of customization options. From colors and layouts to displaying specific data points, personalize your watch face to match your style and needs. Backtrack Navigator. Forget the days of leaving a trail of breadcrumbs or relying solely on a map. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 boasts a game-changing Backtrack Navigator. As you hike, bike, or explore off the beaten path, the watch automatically drops waypoints, recording your journey. If you ever get lost or need to retrace your steps, simply activate Backtrack Navigator. It will guide you back to your starting point using a combination of compass direction, distance readings, and even a breadcrumb-like trail on the map, ensuring you get back safely. Night mode on the fly. Not all heroes wear capes, but many do wear Apple Watches. Especially for nighttime adventurers, the Apple Watch Ultra is a game changer. Select watch faces like Wayfinder or Modular Ultra offer a dedicated night mode. When activated, the display switches to a red hue, mimicking night vision. This red light reduces glare and preserves your night vision, making it easier to see the watch face without ruining your ability to see in the dark. Paired with the incredibly bright display on the Ultra 2, night mode ensures you can see the time, vitals, or other crucial data during nighttime activity. Offline Siri power. Who needs constant connectivity? The Apple Watch. Ultra 2 empowers you with on-device Siri processing for a range of essential tasks. Even without an internet connection, you can leverage the power of Siri with your voice. Imagine being on a remote hike and needing to set a timer, check your heart rate, or start a new workout. Simply raise your wrist and say, "Hey Siri," followed by your request. Siri can handle basic commands like these without needing to reach out to the internet, making the Ultra 2 a truly independent companion for your adventures. This offline functionality also ensures faster response times and increased privacy for your on-device data. Double take to find my phone, misplaced your iPhone and frantically searching under couch cushions. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 has a handy hidden trick to help you out. With a simple double tap on the side button, you can activate a special Find My iPhone function directly from your wrist. This isn't just a basic ping. The Ultra 2 will display the distance to your lost phone, getting you closer with each step. No more wasting time retracing your steps or resorting to desperate calls. This double tap shortcut offers a quick and convenient way to locate your missing iPhone, saving you precious time and frustration. Solar Dial Sun Smarts. The Solar Dial watch face on the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2 is a hidden gem for sun-savvy users. It goes far beyond simply displaying the time. With a simple tap, the Solar Dial reveals a wealth of information about the day's sunlight. See the current time, of course, but also get details on sunrise, sunset, and even the total daylight duration. This is a goldmine for planning outdoor adventures. Hikers can estimate their daylight hours for safe treks, while photographers can identify the perfect lighting conditions for capturing stunning images. For the Ultra 2 with its solar charging capabilities, the Solar Dial becomes even more valuable. You can optimize your charging by knowing exactly when sunlight will be strongest, ensuring your watch stays powered throughout your day's activities. World Time at a glance. For globetrotters and jet setters, the World Time watch face on the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2 is a hidden hidden gem. Gone are the days of juggling multiple time zones in your head. This ingenious watch face transforms your wrist into a mini world clock. The digital display shows your local time prominently, while the rotating bezel showcases the time in multiple international cities. Simply rotate the bezel to see the current time in London, Tokyo, or any other location you've added. This intuitive interface keeps you on track, ensuring you know exactly when to connect with colleagues abroad or avoid calling your loved ones in the middle of their night. The World Time Watch face makes staying connected and organized across time zones a breeze, perfect for any modern-day explorer. Bedside mode magic. The Apple Watch Ultra goes beyond being a smartwatch. It can also be your discreet and stylish nightstand companion. Activate bedside mode and transform your watch into a functional clock. Simply prop your Ultra up on its side while charging, and you'll have a clear digital clock display ready at a glance. But the convenience doesn't stop there. Unlike a traditional bedside clock, the Ultra offers a touch of magic. A simple tap on the nightstand activates the display, illuminating the clock face without needing to fumble for buttons in the dark. This gentle tap avoids disrupting your sleep cycle while offering immediate access to the time when you need it. With bedside mode, the Ultra combines functionality and elegance, making it a perfect addition to your nighttime routine. Hidden camera capabilities. The Ultra 2's camera isn't just for capturing quick selfies on the go. It transforms into a powerful remote viewfinder for your iPhone's camera, unlocking creative possibilities. Imagine setting your iPhone on a tripod for a group photo or capturing stunning wildlife shots from afar. With the camera remote app on your Ultra 2, you can see a live preview of your iPhone's camera feed directly on your wrist. This allows you to frame the shot perfectly, ensuring everyone is in frame or that you have the ideal composition for your subject. The Ultra 2's viewfinder is especially helpful for tricky angles or situations where holding your iPhone directly might be difficult. So next time you want to capture that perfect sunset or record a unique perspective, leverage the Ultra 2's hidden camera talent to become a photography pro. Precision finding power up the Apple Watch. Ultra 2 takes the classic Find My Devices feature to a whole new level with precision finding. This innovative technology utilizes ultra-wideband technology similar to radar to pinpoint the exact location of your lost AirPods or other compatible Apple devices with incredible accuracy. Imagine losing your AirPods deep within your couch cushions. With precision finding on the Ultra 2, it's no sweat. The app will not only display the location of your lost AirPods on a map, but it will also guide you with directional arrows and even provide distance readings as you get closer. This eliminates the frustration of endlessly searching for misplaced tech and ensures a speedy reunion with your precious devices. Precision finding makes the Ultra 2 a powerful tool for keeping track of all your Apple gear, offering peace of mind and saving you valuable time.